Welcome to Muhammad Ishaq, your tech companion. In today's video, we're going to walk you through the simple steps to create your own Gmail account on a laptop or PC. Let's get started. Step 1, open your favorite browser, whether it's Chrome, Firefox, or Edge. Just open it up. Go to the Gmail sign-up page. Step 2, in the search bar, type Gmail sign up and click on the first link you see. It will take you to the Google account creation page. Enter basic information. The screen shows the Gmail sign-up form and the user enters their name and desired email address. Step 3, now you'll need to fill in some basic details. Enter your first and last name, then choose your Gmail address. Try to pick something unique, as common names might already be taken. Step 4, create a strong password. Make sure it's something easy for you to remember, but hard for others to guess. Once done, confirm the password by typing it again. Enter phone number and recovery info. The user enters their phone number and recovery email, optional. Step 5, next, Google will ask for a phone number and a recovery email. This is optional, but it's helpful if you ever forget your password. Step 6, now, enter your date of birth and select your gender. This information helps Google secure your account. Verify your phone number. The user receives a text message and enters the verification code. Step 7, if you entered a phone number, Google will send a verification code. Just type in that code to confirm your number. Step 8, finally, review Google's terms of service and privacy policy. Scroll down and click I agree. Gmail account created. The screen shows the Gmail inbox for the first time. That's it. Your Gmail account is all set up and ready to use. You can now send and receive emails, access Google Drive, and more. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the Muhammad Ishaq channel, and ring the bell for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.